Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Never Call Again on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. This song is a fantastic piece for practicing open chords, which are fundamental for many songs. We'll focus on 4 main chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Getting comfortable with these shapes and transitioning smoothly between them is your first step to mastering this tune. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's feel. A common and effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down. Try to give a little more emphasis to the very first downstroke in each measure. Consistency is key here, so start slowly with a metronome. Gradually increase your speed as your rhythm becomes more precise and comfortable. Understanding the song's structure will help you put all the pieces together. The verses typically follow a G, C, D, G chord progression. When you hit the chorus, you'll shift to C, G, D, E minor. The bridge section often introduces an E minor, C, G, D sequence. Pay close attention to these changes and how they flow. Listening to the original track will greatly assist in internalizing these progressions. To truly master Never Call Again, consistent practice is essential. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice every day. If you encounter a challenging section, break it down and work on it slowly before rejoining the rest of the song. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights into your playing. Most importantly, remember to enjoy the journey of learning and making music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.